Come to my channel. Here we have parenthesis 7 minus 3 then to the power of 2 times 2. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. Then we have 4 to the power of 2 times 2. So 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then we have 8 to the power of 2. 8 times 8 will give us 64. So 64 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parenthesis, which is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. We have 4 to the power of 2 times 2. So 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 will give us 16. Then we have 16 times 2. 16 times 2 will give us 32. So 32 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.